Hi everybody, this is Professor Tracy Sigler. I will be working with you on the management modules this week and next week. So I just wanted to give you a little preview of your preparation for this week and what we're going to do in class on Wednesday night. So we're going to start out the management modules by looking at the organizational level. And there are 3 links here, and the links will work from this page, but not from the syllabus, so I need to fix that. The second link, you do not need to register, just review the content, and then there are 2 different sources for the STAR model by Galbraith. So in class, we're going to be working with the STAR model. 2 materials from Harvard Review. Procter & Gamble organization is a case study about organizational structures at Procter & Gamble and how they changed over time. So that's going to be your written assignment for this week. And then there's an additional conflicts guide for the second module. So the preparation for class for Module 7 is to read the module, STAR model, by Galbraith. Make some notes. There we go. Describe an organization you know well. Be prepared to describe the strategy, structure, process, rewards, and people. And then we'll look at the extent to which the organization is aligned. So we'll get a variety of different examples of organizations and evaluate the alignment. Your individual written assignment this week for this module is to review the Procter & Gamble case. And so all I need you to do in your written response is to answer these 3 questions. The other topic for this week is leading teams and conflict management. So anytime you're working with other people on a team, you often see conflict. So we combine these 2 in the essentials modules. So a couple readings on team development, and again, these links will work, but the ones in the syllabus do not. The readings on conflict management, one is the HBR guide, and I suggest you hold on to that for future reference because there's going to be conflict at work later in your life. And then a description of the conflict management styles that we'll talk about. So your preparation for the conflict and teams module is to think about a conflict you had at work. Describe the situation. What did you do? Why? What was the outcome? And looking back, was this the best approach? So we'll talk about how there's not one best way to manage conflict. It depends on the situation. So we'll get some specific examples here of situations and conflict approaches. And then the written assignment for this module has you looking at a team that you've been a member of. So it can be a work team or a sports team or a class team. Basically to apply the concepts about the different roles played by members, the stages of development, and then any dysfunctions. So that's what we have for this week. I look forward to meeting you all on Wednesday. Let me know if you have any questions.